welcome to another vlog. So I'm currently on my way to go get my hair done, and I just wanted to like show you guys the before state, and when I'm done I'll update you guys. So yeah.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
They are showing is what they are showing. Yeah, of course, they're not showing all aspects of their life. So it doesn't mean that their life, because they are showing when they are happy, doesn't mean that they're never sad, okay? But you don't expect them to carry camera and be snapping each other or be videoing each other when they are sad.
If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
This is the shoe rack that I ordered. I'm not so sure, but I'll quickly unbox this and know what is inside it ASAP. Guys, today we're going to be making something special. I'm thinking of doing a 3-course. Are you videoing me? I don't understand. Okay, so yeah, I'm thinking of making a 3-course meal. Forget my stain or whatever. I'm thinking of making a 3-course meal. I'm thinking of making pan fried potato with chicken breast and coleslaw on the side. Coleslaw, whatever on the side. Yeah, so that's my plan. I actually have a recipe on this pan fried potato. I did it I think last year during the lockdown. I made it, so this time around I'm going to be making it with a twist. It's really nice. The last time I made it, my housemates back in Cebu loved it, so maybe I'll make it now again and then show you guys the recipe. I tried so hard to not cook in this vlog, but it's hard. Okay, it's hard because I literally cook every other day of my life, so you guys are going to be seeing that cooking video come up very often until when I decide to go on a weight loss journey. Okay, I've been telling myself I'll start my weight loss journey today, tomorrow. I'll start, I'll stop, I'll see. I'm tired. Okay, I just love food and I cannot help myself. Sorry. Okay, you guys, I've weighed over 30 kg since I moved to Manila. That's how bad it is. But yeah, we move. I don't know who's going to lose 30 kg. That's why I say people should do what, so that I get monetized, so that I can do a surgery and just relieve myself of all this stress, because I'm not caught up for this in life. I like food. Okay, yeah, let's go and do grocery shopping because I don't have some stuff in the house, literally everything in the house. So yeah.
Yesterday and left, it feels so far away. I miss the old days. Memories of us keep killing me slowly. You don't really care, don't want you to hold me. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel.
So I'm back. I've showed you guys everything that I bought, so I'm just going to quickly cook. I wanted chicken. I don't think I showed you guys the chicken. Sorry. So this is the chicken I'm using. I actually wanted boneless chicken breast, but they didn't have. The one they have is the one with skin and bone. So yeah, I'm just going to cook with it like that. At this point I have no choice. I'll try and make it work, try and peel out the skin as well best way I can, then cook it for a few seconds before I pan fry, if that makes sense. So let's get to work because we have to eat dinner.
What does it mean to show up? That is something I heard all the time from my previous therapist. He saw me through everything. I saw him for 6 years. 6 years of battling mental illness, being in and out of rehabs, struggling to really just simply exist. There were many times that I wanted to quit and give in, and I would look at him and I would just say, I can't keep living this way. And I remember this moment vividly where he looked me in the eye and he said something so simple, and he said, just show up. And at first I was like, what do you mean? Obviously that's what I'm doing. I'm physically sitting here next to you right now. I'm here. And he goes, that is exactly my point. You showed up. You showed up even when you didn't want to. Even when you are tired and you are at your wit's end, you still showed up. And if there's one thing that I live by now and that I will continually tell the people around me is, I do not care how you show up or what version of yourself that will be today. Just show up. And I think that takes away the pressure of trying to exist as a version of yourself that you're not. It's staying authentic to yourself. It's being brave and saying, this is where I'm at, regardless of that outcome. And in that way, I think we can start to be more understanding and compassionate of ourselves. You know, I was most unhappy when I would always say, should. I should be this, or I should be doing that, instead of just accepting where I was. And that's what I think showing up is about. A lot of it is acceptance of where you are without holding judgments about that. You know, on those days where you can only do the bare minimum, I want to tell you that that's okay, and that is plenty, because you got up anyways and you showed up for the day, even when you didn't want to, even when you're tired. I think a lot of the time people get stuck in this thinking pattern of, you know, I feel defeated, so I can't try, or why should I try? If I'm already at this low, it would be unreasonable to try. And I think that's so false, because we do this black and white thinking or all or nothing thinking, and we forget to realize that you can hold two truths at the same time. You can say, you know what? I'm really scared, but I'm going to show up anyways. Or I'm too depressed to get out of bed today, but I'm going to stand up anyways. You never have to show up fully or perfectly. That's not even realistic. It's not a standard we should put on anyone. I think that when you start accepting yourself and other people around you as showing up as whatever version they can that day, we gain compassion. We gain understanding. It can encourage those who are suffering in silence to be less critical and more brave, because it's something to be proud of. And the reason for that being is that you didn't quit. And that's a victory. That's a victory that I really hope that you will take, because throwing in the towel would be easy. That would be the easiest option. And you picked the hard one. You picked the hard path, the hard road to take. And that is courage, and that is bravery. That is something that you probably hold more of than you give yourself credit for. So if you are listening to this right now, I want to say congratulations to you, because you showed up.
good. I'm good. You like it? I'm gonna be doing that for me. Hey guys, so yeah, I thought this vlog was going to last up to the weekend, but apparently not, because it's already too long. I really don't want to give you guys lengthy vlogs anymore, so I'm trying to keep it at 15-17 minutes max. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Subscribe to me if you're not subscribed, thumbs up this video. And the food was amazing. I'm so full. Can you believe I'm out of breath? Oh my god. Bye guys.